vanilla bean coconut cupcake with a guava curd filling, a mascarpone cookie sweet icing with a purple white chocolate crown with a bonnet hot cup. Then we have a double sweet cupcake with a chocolate honey mousse and have ice malt ice, like stimulating ice.
You know that you're not going to be anybody. I mean, you can get sick from it, but it's not going to anybody. Boring is like, you put this stuff on your cupcakes because you can't, this is kind of cool for me because maybe this is someone that will be voted off or will give me a chance to re-shine. As we said, I like to concept that these cupcake people are not food, that the realize are not followed by the custom food. So we're all doing this food, there's some respect in it.
I'm totally second guessing everything I've done. You know, I put my heart and soul into this. What else can I do?
Gosh, I am all for artistic expression, and I do think that this is a beautiful sculptural plate of cupcakes.
Well, bakers, our judges need some time to catch some breath.
I feel like I let myself down because I didn't deliver what I didn't deliver to the judges. I'm a little bit upset.
I think recommendations for next round because the people that have all gone in front of you have all had problems. Some of them aren't like over the top of the decoration, but the cakes are awesome. Bakers. In this round, we asked you to give us 3 cupcakes inspired by the Los Angeles cake.
Play the game themselves. We needed them to be an athlete. It's going to be like...